Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the printhead of a HP Photosmart 6520. This is nice and simple, can be done from the printer itself, using nothing but the touchscreen you can see here. Now these cleaning cycles are a great first step in troubleshooting any print quality problems you've been having. So, from the touchscreen we want to press this spanner icon on the top right hand side. In we go, and then you've got tools along here, so press to go into that. And clean printhead is the bottom option here. So press that. Now this will take your printer a minute, and what it's doing is pushing fresh ink into its printhead to dislodge any dried ink that may be causing striping or missing colours on your printer. Flushing that out and hopefully improving things. Now it's probably worth mentioning that these cleaning cycles do use up ink in your cartridges, but it is necessary in flushing that printhead through. So you'll notice your ink levels will deplete as you go. As shown by the low ink warning I'm getting now, so press OK. Now when it's done with the clean, this machine will automatically print a print quality diagnosis, showing you the black, cyan, magenta and yellow your printer is capable of producing. I've obviously got some serious print quality issues here, so I'm going to carry on persevering with cleaning and test pages until I see an improvement. But hopefully you found this useful. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.